almost a country which has been waiting for this art form to come.
Angry Jarts will come out, look at the car and go, oh.
And the moment some intimate scene played, he would just fast forward it.
I think that these kids are doing lots of fresh observations.
But fucking expensive, that coffee. Expensive. Instead of that foam heart, they should just draw a foam middle finger.
I do see stand-up continuing to be a force of resistance.
It's all about stories. Humor तो खाली एक agent है.
Finally, you're a comic. You've come to see comedy. You're not come to hear stories.
Even if it's a frivolous, juvenile sex joke, it's still some kind of protest.
Everyone's set has one topic that people don't openly talk about.
A gay dude in India can never just be gay. He is a gay. A gay. Like he's an object.
I'm not doing my job keeping in mind my gender.
मैं गांव की बात करता हूँ, अपने हिंदुस्तान के रीति रिवाज.
The test of an audience is never how much they're laughing or clapping, but when you pause, how much silence there is.
The very fact that a Birbal existed at point of time, like, I mean, he was probably the first stand-up comedian ever.
It was literature in humor.
जब हम लोगों के नब्ज टटोलते हैं और उसके ऊपर जाते हैं.
It's just a silly show where we try to spin the news in one way.
The incubation period of a cartoonist is fairly long. I don't think the times now allow that.
Comedy in cinema for a very long time was a prop.
वानखेड़े में आया भूत, वानखेड़े में आया भूत, Pakistan. What am I saying?
You can survive anything with humor.
हमारी इंडियन मेंटालिटी ये है. सेफ चलो, बच के चलो यार.
It's a feudal culture of ours which helps people suck up. मुझे corporate से लेने में रत्ती भर भी guilt नहीं होती क्योंकि इनके पास सबसे ज़्यादा corrupt money है.
Anger is building up in people.
The laws in this country are really not conducive to complete free speech.
India's become one giant Bollywood.
We don't have it. We don't have a sense of humor.
10 दिन तक मुझे पुलिस सिक्योरिटी में रहना पड़ा.
One of the organizers, she came up to me in the middle of my performance and tapped on my shoulder and told me, "Stop the show right now."
आपको अच्छा लगेगा.